Hello, today we'll be having jazz choreography and ang assigned sa inyo na festival is Mardi Gras. Yes.
Wow.
Let's start?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Let's start with, since bago ba, ay hindi bago sa'yo to, Paul, no?
Sa jazz ko.
Sa jazz.
Medyo bago,
Oo.
pero may idea.
Pero, napansin ko lang, first time ko turuan si Denise ngayon.
Yes.
Tama. Let's do our best.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Of course.
So, ang napansin ko lang sa last jazz choreography niyo, wala kayong mga turns.
Yes.
So ngayon, siguro, since nandito na rin na tayo sa jazz, i-advance natin ng kaunti. We'll be teaching you the turns. The plie. When you say plie, it's the bending of your knees. Tapos turn. Let's start it with, let's face there. Tapos basic, first position lang tayo. And then, 1, 2, prepare. Play lang tayo, then shane, turn, spot, make sure you spot, nice. One more, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, spot in front, nice one. Hindi, wag ka muna mag-release, Paul.
Okay.
1, 2, spot in front, last, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, spot in front, nice one. Then we'll do the pretzel, 5, 6, 7, go, pretzel.
Ito.
Lean, yes, more, nice. Point your toes, ayun o, nakikita niyo yung paa niyo. Pag nagpe-pretzel. So, point your toes. Paul, dapat naka-attitude position to. Yan.
Okay.
So, medyo critical kasi pag nasa floor works, medyo hindi natin napapansin. Yan. You recover at that movement. Okay? Ready? Let's start with 5, 6.
Saan tayo?
We start with first position, plie, then we'll do the shane, then diretso pretzel tayo, okay? Yung pretzel lapag natin agad. 5, 6, 7, and plie, then shane, then... Mali, Paul. Kailangan ilaglag mo talaga ito.
Okay.
Kasabay na to. Kasabay ng hips.
Late ako, late.
Yeah, 5, 6. Tapos, ang mag-help sa inyo mag-turn is your arms.
Okay.
Tight it. 5, 6. First position, 5, 6, 7, and plie. Now, turny and pretzel 2, up and down. Nice one.
Actually, parang ito yung main goal din ni Coach Jim Lloyd na medyo hindi kami muna gumamit ng props.
As in full dance and ano
Pakita
talaga.
namin talaga din yung jazz and yung bagong stunts actually.
Na
Medyo hindi pa
napakita.
nagagawa at hindi pa napapakita na lahat. So,
Yes.
ang medyo challenging lang dyan talaga kasi bago nga. So, medyo hindi pa sanay yung katawan. Sa lifting, lalo na sa akin. Pero, laban.
Laban naman. And nagagawa naman yan ng maayos din kapag nire-review and paulit-ulit lang
Yeah.
talaga. So, patience. Let's go.
Pero based mo sa sayaw namin, happy naman ako. Kasi ano na eh,
Oo.
liftings na lang.
Okay, sa intro tayo, sa intro natin, we will be having our first stance. Yung tinuro ko sa inyo kanina, i-run lang natin. Make sure engage lagi sa arms. Malakas lagi ito para on point lahat ng mga stunts natin. We have 5, 6, 7, 5, ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1,
Sorry.
Buhat.
ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, ta-da-da-da, base, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Nice one.
Taas? Okay.
Make sure yung pag-land niya, alalay pa din.
Okay.
Assisted kasi lahat. So, lahat ng lakas manggagaling sa'yo.
Medyo umano lang yung
Pagkuha.
ano ko.
Okay, ready? Last one. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,
Tama,
4,
Liz.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Da-da-da-da. Base, base, relax. Base, 6, 7, 8, and 1.
Hit? Baba.
Actually, okay naman na yun.
Okay lang.
Recover naman na agad yan. Let's do the second stance natin ng... Ano yung second stance natin? Yun na yung...
Ito.
Yung sa steps na tayo. 1, 2, tuloy-tuloy na natin. Oo nga, yun din.
Ikot.
Kaso eto muna daanan
Ito
natin.
muna. Ay, ito muna.
Linis.
5, 6, ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and dapat dito na harap, dito na kayo harap. Ready? Diyan na tayo sa 1 and down na tayo. 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, base, tan tadadan, base, tan tadadan, base, tan tadadan. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, base, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 to pa yan.
1 to.
Nagland lang ng 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4, bend 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, base, and 1.